not get in that house. You're gonna freeze. How do you like the snow? Tell me how you like the snow. Like the snow.
I think it's beautiful.
I liked out there walking around in it today and sliding.
It was fun.
Did your hands hurt if they got wet?
Mm-hmm.
It wasn't fun, was it?
No.
Is your sister silly?
Yes.
Is she the clown of the bunch? Coco, how old are you? 4? When's your birthday? I can't wait to show that to your boyfriend when you get older.
4 more months.
4 more months? Well, could you sing me your song that you're going to sing for dance?
Yeah. This is lollipop. It's nice to candy shop. We bubble play. And what? What now?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
I'm good shit. It's nice to candy shop. The bubbles play.
Beep it.